In my opinion, 1 hour is just too long for a meeting. Let me show you something. I think you're going to like this. I recently received an email from Andy Bounds. Now, before anyone gets upset, I asked to be on his mailing list. Andy's written several great books. Now, in his email, Andy asked me if I would like to save 12 minutes a day. And I was like, meh, 12 minutes a day, that's not a big deal. But actually, that's an hour a week. And in a year, that could be anything up to 45 hours once you take holidays into account. That's a full working week. What would you do if you had 53 weeks in your year? Okay, let's show you where these settings are in Outlook. What you do is once you've opened Outlook, you click on File and you select Options. This will bring up the Outlook Options window, and the area we want to look at is Calendar. So you click on Calendar and we can see everything related to that. Now, the two new settings are actually under End Appointments and Meetings Early. There's a little checkbox here. Once you tick that, you can then choose how early you want to stop a meeting. So for example, if the meeting is under an hour, you can actually stop it 5, 8 or 10 minutes early. Or if it's over an hour, you can grab up to 15 minutes back on it. Now, the two I prefer are 8 minutes and 15 minutes. Once you've set those, click on OK and you're good to go. If you found this useful, please share or sign up for our weekly video productivity tips.